Goose, today was my last day of stupid school, Goose. Goose, the reason why I didn't get to do a video before stupid school was over because Goose, my parents ground me for no reason. I don't know why, Goose. But Goose, I didn't do it. I didn't do anything wrong. Goose, this is weird, Goose. Because I'm really happy that today was my last day of stupid school, Goose. Because we don't have to worry about stupid school anymore, Goose. Because I'm so happy, Goose. Huh, Goose? Like, Goose. Goose, I'm going to be talking about birds today. Look at this. Oh, that fell. Oh, there it is. Two. I'll say that on. I Goose Debbie saw them. It was a little guess because Goose Debbie saw them. But Goose, Goose, I'm gonna be doing a bird video. We're gonna be doing a bird video. So Goose, we're gonna be doing a bird video. So Goose, I'm pretty excited. So Goose, just excited for today because Goose going to my grandma. What's going on? I'm just really excited for today. I'm just really excited for today. Goose, oh my gosh. Goose, I'm just really excited for today. Goose, oh my gosh, Goose. Goose, I'm just really excited for today. Oh my gosh. Goose, I'm just really excited for today. Oh my gosh, Goose. Goose, I'm just really excited for today. So Goose, I'm not working. I don't know why, Goose. So Goose, okay, Goose, there's something wrong. So Goose, but Goose, because we're gonna be doing like a bird video. So Goose, we have done a video about birds, like birds and that are really common in your backyard and other places like that. But Goose, today we're gonna be talking about really rare birds, Goose. So Goose, the really less rarest bird in the world is the really less rare bird in Pennsylvania is the can't remember. I think it might be the indigo bunting goose. Because the most rarest bird in Pennsylvania is the scarlet tanager. Yeah, I guess also the summer tanager is pretty rare too. As rare as the summer tanager, so it's rare just like the summer tanager, Goose. Goose, I didn't know that I didn't know that there was two kind of tanagers in Pennsylvania. Goose, I got a surprise for you today, Goose. I'm gonna post a video. It's from my house, and I'm gonna go get it. It's about birds, Goose. Okay, Goose, this is like a bird book. Yeah, this bird is in Pennsylvania. It's a rare bird. It's an Oriole, Baltimore Oriole. Goose, today we're gonna be looking at birds that are in Pennsylvania. Goose, I'm excited. Goose. Yeah, the great blue heron. I don't know that's in Pennsylvania. Because as you see, it's touching Pennsylvania. Because yeah, because all that pink stuff. Let me show you. Because right there, my finger is pointing is Pennsylvania. It's kind of tiny. Because because this little Elgert is kind of close to Pennsylvania. So you can see the little red dots are kind of close to it. You can see much this one, even though it doesn't live in it. So because yeah. So because those little lines are almost touching it. Same as those two for the snowy Elgert, little blue heron too. Because and it's really interesting to look at this book Goose, because you never know like what kinds of birds could be in Pennsylvania. Because yeah. So Goose, I'll guarantee you Goose to get this book sometime. This is like one of the best books, one of the best bird books I've ever had in my life, Goose. Green heron. Goose, that is in Pennsylvania. Goose, that must be a really rare heron. That's really cool. Goose, oh, Goose, that bird is really like touching this right in the edge of Pennsylvania. Because that bird must be a really rare bird. Goose, yeah. Oh, Goose, look, the black-crowned night heron is the red stuff is kind of touching the edge of Pennsylvania and kind of inside of Pennsylvania. So Goose, that's proof right there that bird maybe lives in Pennsylvania, because it's really rare to find it in Pennsylvania. Because yeah, none of these birds live. The white ibis, it doesn't live in Pennsylvania. The scarlet ibis doesn't live in Pennsylvania. Yeah, you see what's funny about the scarlet ibis is the thing that doesn't make sense is what? Oh, goodness. It's all the way back. It's fine. Here. It's good. Scarlet ibis is red, right? And doesn't have any black, so that's weird. That's what it kind of does right there. And because it's scarlet. Scarlet tanager is red too. And it's a little bit black too. But the weird thing is, they're not in Pennsylvania. Because bird doesn't. Well, maybe. No, it doesn't. It looked like it did. It's a goose. This bird doesn't either. The white-faced ibis doesn't live in Pennsylvania. It's a goose.
How long has it been? 7. I'll time you for 3 more.
Good goose. Yeah. This the jaybird doesn't live in Pennsylvania. Oh, because yeah, that's only like one little dot right there. And this bird doesn't either. A black vulture lives in Pennsylvania. This is a really rare vulture. It's the rarest vulture in Pennsylvania. And because it's similar to the turkey vulture, which is not rare in Pennsylvania. Because the wood stork, no, it doesn't live in Pennsylvania either. Because the flamingo does nowhere near the Pennsylvania, let's be honest. And because there's our turkey vulture. Because it, as we all know, he is right there. So I don't even really need to look at it to even know about that. Because that duck doesn't live in Pennsylvania. This duck doesn't either. Man, this duck doesn't. There's all these ducks. Actually, no, the goose. The geese goose. The snow goose. That live in Pennsylvania. Nope. The rose goose doesn't either. Because yeah, we all know the Canada goose is everywhere. Almost everywhere. Because you see the white still. It's a goose, yeah. That bird doesn't live in Pennsylvania. It's a goose. I honestly wish that little blue line would be touching Pennsylvania. Yeah, goose swan might be one of the rarest swimming birds in Pennsylvania, because it's touching it, but it's actually the lines this time. So because that's proof right there that it's super rare. Not goose. So because yeah, none of these swans live in Pennsylvania. So because yeah, this bird doesn't either. And this bird doesn't either. Or does it? Goose. That must be a really rare bird around here. So I don't even see a dot. Because this bird is in Pennsylvania, the wood duck. To be honest, I've never seen it in real life because I've seen it in videos on Pennsylvania. It was like birds in Pennsylvania. And I saw this wood duck in there. And that's when I knew that it was in Pennsylvania. It's a rare duck too. The rarest duck in Pennsylvania. Because the rarest other bird that's in the duck is swans, as we all know. Because this bird is in Pennsylvania. They are raising, I don't know what it says. Because this bird doesn't, it's touching it. Yeah, because the mallard, I don't know why it doesn't say a mallard duck. It says a duck. It says mallard, but it goes, and anyways, I was seeing the mallard duck does live in Pennsylvania. It's a really, because the train interrupted my video. Because, yeah, don't do his thing. So, because this bird lives in Pennsylvania. Because this duck does too. American black duck. It looks a little familiar. I don't know why it doesn't Pennsylvania. It's because, yeah, that doesn't. What is this bird? This duck lives in Pennsylvania. Blue and teal. I didn't know that goose. Teals are in the duck family, even though it doesn't say duck in the name of the bird. Because this teal doesn't have Pennsylvania. This teal does. This is really rare because it has a little dot. I don't know if you can see it on the map. Because the map is the most exciting thing to see once you see a bird, so you can like see if it lives around your area or anything like that. Goose. Because this bird does not live in Pennsylvania. Because this bird doesn't either. They all have ducks and like teals and swans. This goes in this book right now. Because this goes like, let's just skip pages. Because, whoa. Because that bird is in Pennsylvania. There's a little star right there. That must mean it's really rare. That's crazy, goose. This spotted rare. I don't know. Rail. Yeah, it probably says spotted rail. Let's see about this goose.